Universitas Syiah Kuala, or USK, is the oldest state university in Aceh. It was founded on September 2, 1961. Currently, USK has more than 30,000 students studying in 12 faculties and postgraduate programs, consisting of economic and business, veterinary, law, engineering, teaching in education, mathematics and natural sciences, agriculture, social and political sciences, medicine, nursing, dentistry, marine and fisheries sciences. USK's strategic function is to improve the quality of human resources, to become a center of excellence and innovation. With the programs and services provided, USK aims to prepare graduates who have the competencies for 21st century global competitiveness, to implement formal and informal education, to achieve high-quality graduates who have innovative and independent social purpose competencies. Therefore, USK established excellent research centers. One of them is the Aceh Research Center, or ARC. ARC has actively involved in multidisciplinary research based on food agriculture, making ARC Universitas Syiah Kuala an international standard center for essential oil science and research. The goal of ARC USK is to make Universitas Syiah Kuala a reference center for the development of essential oil industry in Aceh, Indonesia, and globally. As USK in Aceh is located along the Ring of Fire, it is a compulsory for USK to develop a center of excellence in disaster science. Inspired by the 2004 Aceh earthquake and tsunami disasters, USK established the Tsunami and Disaster Mitigation Research Center, or TDMRC, in 2006. TDMRC has been recognized as the world-class research institute and designated a Center of Excellence in Disaster Sciences by the Ministry of Higher Education, Research and Technology of Indonesia. TDMRC aims to deliver innovative scientific research outputs and products in the framework of disaster risk reduction, and also continues to build and increase the capacity of knowledge in the field of tsunami and disaster mitigation, which contributes to increasing the resilience of the Acehnese, Indonesian, and global communities with the slogan, "Communicating Science, Enhancing Resilience." USK has several other research centers such as STEM, Environment and Natural Resources, Coffee and Cocoa Research Centers. USK has high-quality facilities and infrastructure to support students' academic and research activities, consisting of the Library Building, ICT Building, Language Building, Integrated Laboratory Building, and Prince Naif Hospital or Education Hospital, and many more. With various activities supported by existing research and innovation facilities, USK has developed high-quality products that increase the entrepreneurial potential of students involved in it. In addition to accreditation from University Accreditation Board or BANTP, many study programs at USK have also obtained international accreditation. USK is committed to improving the quality of educational services by strengthening human resources for all study programs in terms of fulfilling the qualification of researchers and lecturers. As a result of high-quality research, UESCA's researches has published in reputable journals, indexed nationally and internationally. Those journals have obtained national accreditation, such as SINTA, and global recognition, such as Scopus and Web of Science. UESCA also committed to implementing community service activities. To demonstrate UESCA's capacity at the national level, UESCA actively contributes to implementing program Kuliah Kerja Nyata or Students Field Study and Community Service Program in almost all regions in the country. UESCA has established cooperation with partners, both from domestic and foreign universities, governmental and private institutions, industries, and other parties. As is Jantung Hati Rakyat Aceh, meaning the heart of Acehnese, another name given by the communities. Universitas Syiah Kuala is determined to contribute to local and national developments, to become an innovative and excellent socio-entrepreneurship university that contribute to world-class recognition.